Hi teacher, Luz Eugenia González. The Art of Teaching Workshop. Topic: Conjugate the verb to be able in present simple tense. Level: 5th and 6th grade. Class development time: 2 hours. Adjective: use the verb to be able to clearly and simply in the simple present tense. Outcomes: at the end of the class, the student will be able to, in the present simple tense, identify the present, past, and interrogative tense of the verb be able to. Methodology: the topic will be explained orally and in the writing. Also, tips will be used so as computer, cell phone, tablet, and an explanatory video on the topic and development. Assessment to check student progress. Progress will be tracked in different ways. B. Conjugating the verb in the present tense. B. Carrying out a series of exercises that should correctly complement the verb tense to be able to. Making different tense in the present and past tense in order to make a feedback of the developed topic at the end. Thank you very much.